Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this Teen Skin Face Wash. I bought this for my daughter. She is getting closer to her teenage years and she needed something to wash her face and try and combat any acne or bumps or anything that you kind of have once you hit that age in life. I was looking for one that was going to be really gentle, this is, and also something that was non-toxic and had natural ingredients. This is made with pomegranate, aloe, and then green tea extract. So it's so gentle on her face. She has really sensitive skin and this hasn't bothered her even a little bit. So she absolutely loves it. It's fragrance free. It's also sulfate and paraben free. So you don't need to worry about anything harmful that's going to be on your child's face. This part right here is just a little pump. So it is a foaming cleanser. It comes out, it's really, really nice, actually, super, super soft. And then it just, you rub it into your face and wash it off. So wet your face, massage it in. I usually have her do it for about a minute, massage it all in, make sure you're getting every little part of your face, every area that needs to be cleaned, and then just rinsing it. She loves it. She uses it morning and night, and a little goes a long way. This is a 5-ounce bottle, and she only has to use one pump each time she uses it, so you're not having to rebuy it all the time. So if you have a teenager or somebody who's getting to be close to being a teenager that maybe they need to try a face wash to start helping combat any issues they're having, I think that this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.